there's pigeons. And there's Sabrina. These guys eat right out of your hand. Alright, who's brave? Who's brave to come eat out of my hand? Oh, Sabrina scared him away. Oh, there's a brave birdie. Oh, this one will eat out of my hand. Watch. Woo. This one eats right out of your hand. This one is not a scaredy cat. He gets all the food because he's not scared. Not the pigeon. Oh, here comes another birdie. Sammy's over here playing. Let's get all the birds to come to Sammy. Oh, you guys are back. There you go. There's my brave brown birdie. That one comes and eats out of my hand. Come on. Come on. Who's brave here? Come get your yummies. Whoa. Wow, those seagulls are really vicious. Oh. No. Come on. Sammy's tired. Oh, here you are. Oh, this guy's brave.